Captain Teens, the first meme coin go to war for fun. Captain Teens meme project, this token name CPT. Contact address Sol Chain. More update you can find this Captain Teens Twitter handle and Telegram details. Captain Teens, foreign in the matrix deployed by the trains, will the other pieces idea trains deploy CPT battle testing matrix funds with 300 plus tournament and almost 100 and entries. We are not a partner, we are the prototype. Web 3 first war for fun. Someone through the portal trains did not just fight, we built CPT Matrix Fund into life, the first testing growth for Chain Fund, the West partnership, which properly is mentioned, and game technology hold forever. Fund just the beginning. CBD turns gaming into the community. Things how to rebuild, believe no tests, but holding together so we don't just play build giant wealth. The mission or clean bring the back delay to root. Ni Nakamoto brother Satoshi tried to save Chain after the Genesis block. His obsession with the fun led by the X-World Kitation of the Exocap as broken human hybrid unable to hold fun device. Memetics speak the program collapsed but the code did not die. Burn the completed blocks and the figment timelines. The speak evolved deeply with the matrix fund the edge of the fork abyss for the redstone and tense engine. So many tasks already end.